Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now before we do anything, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, and if you can, I would love it if you followed me over on Instagram. I will leave my handle over here. So today I thought we could go over the members of your family. I'll probably just do close, immediate family at the moment. So to start with the word for mum or mother, Ma-harr. 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 And the word for dad, father, Ah-harr. 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 The word for son is Mack. 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 And the word for daughter, which is also the word for girl, is Nighean. 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 Now if you were to say brother, it would be Bràthair. 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 And the word for sister is Pew-er. 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 The word for granny can be granny or Shen-a-ver. 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 But honestly, I just use granny. And the word for grandfather, or as I say grandpa, it is Shen-er. 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 And the word for cousin, Co-ogha. 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 Now the words for auntie and uncle are auntie and uncle. So I think you'll remember those just fine without me going over them. But if there are any other immediate, I'm saying immediate, close family members that you would like to be able to say, let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.